We'll guide you through how to use Replit AI tools effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Replit website and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by clicking on the Sign Up button and filling in your details. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can create a new project or open an existing one. To access the AI tools, click on the Tools tab located at the top of the interface. Here, you'll find various AI-powered features designed to enhance your coding experience. One of the most powerful tools is the AI code completion, which suggests code snippets as you type, helping you code faster and with fewer errors. To use it, simply start typing in your code editor and watch as the AI suggests completions. If you want to explore further, try the AI debugger. This tool helps identify and fix bugs in your code. With your code open, click the Debug button and let the AI analyze your code. It will highlight any issues and suggest possible solutions. Another handy tool is the AI Explainer, perfect for understanding complex code. Highlight a section of your code, then click the Explain button, and the AI will provide a detailed explanation of what the code does. This is especially useful if you're working with unfamiliar code bases. Remember, these AI tools are designed to make your coding life easier, so don't hesitate to experiment with them. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.